And I'm here to show you all how I have a new stencil, and her name is Bantu, not Godis. I do have a Goddess collection, but she's not a part of Goddess collection. I have a design, I'm gonna show y'all right up here, and a couple of people wanted her, but I told them that she wasn't available because she's just for me to create designs. So I created this design, but then I was like, I could use her as a stencil. She's available. Let me show y'all what I'm going to create from her. So when you order her, you will get a carbon sheet of paper, and you'll get directions. What I'm going to use her on is a it's like a 3.2 inch piece of wood. And if you use her on a smaller, like this is a 2.5, you can get her face, you know, or you could pull it up and get a little bit of her neck. I'm gonna do it on this, so let me show y'all. So I just lay this on here. I done did a couple of videos like this, but I just want to show y'all what I do. I just lay this on the top, make sure that it's, you know, even. Hold the stencil. You can use your Stylus tool, and you just, let me use this side, and you just trace. Now when you trace, you will get an indentation in the stencil, but it's not, it's just a little indentation. You can use these stencils over and over and over again. I say over 100 times. So just make sure you trace every little part of the stencil. And you push hard. It's going to leave like a little crease in there, but it's not going to rip unless you just like really, really heavy-handed. Push harder, or I could have used a bigger one of these, but it goes through better than this. But you know, I can draw, so I'm gonna go in and clean everything up. Let me get some black paint. Let me get her right here so y'all can see. But yeah, you can push a little harder than I did. For the ones, you know, use a bigger, because you know when you order these right here, they come in bigger things. So use a one with a bigger ball, and you can kind of grab everything. But it came through good enough for me. All right, so I'm going to get my handy dandy little metal stick I like to draw with. And we're going to go over. I'm back and I finished her. She came out really lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. This is the stencil. And it's so much. I mean, I got gloss on here right now. I'm gonna show y'all in the earring of the week, the other one that I made with this design. I like her. I can do her different skin tones. It's just so much you can do with this stencil. Yeah, I could just do her just with her face without the neck. I can make her knots bigger. It's just so much you can do with these stencils. And I thank you all. I have sold a couple of these already. So if you want to purchase her, she is on K.NoirDesigns.com. You can purchase her there. So y'all watch out for earring of the week video that's coming up, and you will see her other half. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Yeah, she came out really cool. Like a little green lipstick, right? I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all interested in any Unity Afrocentric trace stencils, you can go to K.Noir Designs and purchase them. After this video, I'm gonna show y'all the Godis collection. So y'all check those out. It comes in a set, and I'll talk about them more when in that video. All right, salam salam.